friends, today I'm gonna tell you slokas. Shuklam Bharataram Vishnu Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Gaye Sarva Vignopa Prashantaye. Second one. Karagre Vasate Lakshmi Karavadiye Saraswati Karamule Smita Gauri Prabhate Karadarshanam. Swapta Swaradamala Prachandam Kashyapamujam Shveta Padmadaram Deva Tam Suryam Pranavamyaha. Shutram Dakshinamurti Slokam Kurave Sarvalokanam Vishaje Bhavayoginam Hridaye Sarvavidyanam Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Govardhana Slokam Govardhanam Dharam Vande Gopalam Goparupinam Gokulodbhavam Ishanam Govindam Gopika Priyam.